Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no needs, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. So today's video is going to be day 2 of our travel vlog. I'm so excited. I'm about to start getting ready. My best friend is about to come over and then we're going to go to Dutch Bros. And we're also going to get bagels at this place called Bagel Land. I have this little mirror that I got on Amazon. It's like the cutest thing ever. So you just prop it up like this and you can literally just do your makeup like this. How was it? Good?
That's all you.
You cold?
It's a little nippy.
Because we're under this like the cover, like the tree cover.
Yeah, my shoe's untied. Damn it. That's a real friend. He's drinking my iced coffee in fucking 40-degree weather. Oh. My bitch is tired. Made it.
Made it. Behind the scenes to behind the scenes.
Hold on, let me do a portrait. Ooh, shoot.
Who's that? Is that?
Oh, shit.
Is that my girl?
Oh, what? Hold on, keep going. With your good baby bear. Can I have a besito?
So, Mom, you're embarrassing me.
I'm gonna hear her because of her collar. I should take the collar.
Oh!
Oh. Hey babe, are you okay?
She got distracted. The squirrel's on the other side.
You good?
Oh, there's another one over there though.
I just hope she doesn't limp. Is she okay?
She hella slid. Do you like him?
It's my girl.
Oh, hi baby girl. You little Moroccan dog.
Now I need to know. It's gonna bother me. It's gonna really. Do you know?
Yeah.
Can you do it?
No.
Why? Why can't you?
I guess I could try.
3.
Oh god, I know. I have my body right now.
It has to do with how you're clumping them. No? No, I guess not.
You're doing a whole extra step that doesn't happen.
Is she?
Yeah. I only clumped them up once.
I already fucked up.
Hey, they're getting married! Woo! Congratulations! Woo!
She said maybe. She'll think about it.
We're in Washington.
We are. We're in Washington. We're at the waterfront. It's a beautiful sunset.
Gimme!
Can I have a besito?
Oh, hi, buddy.
Oh, would you both at once? Both? Okay. Oh.
You said he's Shih Tzu and Jack Russell?
Yeah.
Oh my
Look at
goodness.
this gorgeous tail we have.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. It's got a nice butt.
All right, day 3. Our last day here. I'm so sad. We eat some good food today, drink some good coffee, and see some fun stuff and take some more cute pics. Have you been liking taking pics with me, babe?
Love it. Since day 1.
What Portland has to offer on a nice, lovely Sunday. My boyfriend always tries to steal my swag.
Wow. Okay. Tell the local news, babe. What's the weather like?
Slightly rainy.
A little bit of wind. That's beautiful.
Okay, I'm gonna ask my boyfriend some questions that I got asked. So, I've been waiting to answer these questions for a long time, so I'm just gonna do it right here. Hopefully these people are watching this video, because if not, that's awkward. Okay.
They asked for it. Here you go.
How did I go about introducing your bae, or how did you go about introducing your bae to baby boy? Happy for you, by the way. Thank you. I'm happy for me too.
Love that.
How did I introduce Elijah to you?
So obviously I'm the adult, so I knew about Elijah, and we game planned together how we're gonna go about it and what might be the best way possible.
Like planned it a whole day.
A biggest thing for me was knowing how I felt about you, that I knew we weren't just a short time thing. So I knew once I met Elijah, I was gonna be around him a lot. So I wanted his father to be comfortable, or at least kind of know who I am or be aware. So because he does feels comfortable with someone else being around his child, because I couldn't even imagine if it was my own and I don't know who's around.
Yeah. I wanted his dad to know first, like I wanted to give him the respect to know that like I'm dating someone who I'm gonna bring him around him first, and then I introduced him to his dad like really soon before, because I just like wanted to know, I wanted his dad to know like this is who's around your son.
But so as far as the actual meeting Elijah,
we took him to the park.
I came and picked him up and we went to the park, and I gave Elijah a gift. I knew he was a Laker fan like me. I had a beanie that I might have worn once, but I've had for a couple years, so I was like, you know what? I think this might be a nice little break the ice. Here you go. Hope this kid gets more use out of it than me. And then, yeah, we went to the park, played basketball.
We got donuts.
Got donuts.
And went to Starbucks. I remember Elijah, like Calvin kissed me, and then Elijah was like all shy, and then he was like, or I was like, what's wrong? He's like, I've just never seen anybody kiss you before. And I was like,
but yeah, then we went to go to the park, and then we brought my dog along too, so me and him just played basketball and played a little bit of football. You could tell as the day was going on, he got more and more comfortable, because he was super quiet at first.
He was shy at first.
But I think he was just very happy to have someone play sports with him, play basketball with him.
He's been wanting me to have a boyfriend for years. He's been bugging me like, when are you gonna get a boyfriend? I'm like,
so yeah, that's how we went about that.
Next question is, does my boyfriend have kids of his own? Nope. Nope.
The way she said that.
Nope. Oh, thank God.
A little too happy.
Yeah, very happy.
A little too happy.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with like people having kids. I just
works out better for us that I don't.
Yeah, I just was like, I personally just didn't want to date.
Another baby mama on top of a baby daddy.
There's
it's like a whole
I already have my situation, and like my situation has
we don't need to add 2 extra people involved.
It's just more, if I have a kid and he has a kid, it's just like more people, and yeah, I'm just happy that he has he's a dog dad, and I'm happy about that. Would you guys relocate out of state?
If you could.
When Elijah's older.
Yeah, like it's not like I'm open to anything. I'm not closing the door to any possibility except for Mississippi.
I'd be down. And I'm not down with, what did I say, Texas? I'm not down to Texas.
Except for Mississippi and Texas.
Yeah.
I would love to visit Mississippi, because there's some things out there I want to do.
I'll go to Texas. I just won't live there.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a weird question. Shoot yourself in the foot or sleep in the same bed with your mother-in-law for a month in a trailer park in Mississippi?
Wow.
What?
Cool.
What? Why Mississippi? That's, well, I mean, you'd shoot yourself in the foot. Wouldn't you? Because you just literally said,
Yeah.
He literally just said the only place he's not going to live is Mississippi,
for a month?
and you said Texas.
Yeah.
Like,
really?
In Mississippi? Yeah.
So it's only because it's Mississippi. I'd rather sleep with your mom. Your mom's cool. I'll sleep with your mom in Mississippi in a trailer.
That's different though. You guys are 2 girls. It's like not like that anything would happen.
It doesn't say what the fuck. You just
no, I know, but it's still just like, it's a weird dynamic.
Yeah, I guess. Hunting or fishing?
Fishing.
Same. How many kids do you want?
Well, we have one already. I count Elijah as part of our family, obviously. So, I'd prefer to only have 2 more, a boy and a girl, but I'm open to having 3.
If it's 2 boys and a girl.
Or 2 girls and a boy, yeah.
Yeah. I definitely want
3 more
2.
max.
But I don't want my next kid to grow up as an only child like Elijah.
I mean, yeah, today is pretty clear. Like, it would be pretty.
Hope that answered your questions about my boyfriend.
Facts.
Oh, you are just.
You good, babe? Mm-hmm. This wind is crazy. Oh, watch it. I got you, babe.
Oh, my eyelashes.
Wow, that is beautiful.
Cold and windy. I'm so weak.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. It's my happiness and my hair flying in his face for me. Bye, Tafu. Bye.
Straight out, that's straight off the boat.
Oh.
Fresh.
Bye. on our way back home. I'm ready to get back to the 70-degree weather. That was almost my favorite plan.
We made it.
We made it. Finally going back home.
Under the seat in front of you. Smaller devices should be unplugged from seat power in airplane mode and held or secured. We hope you enjoy our 2-hour and 7-minute flight down to San Diego.
So, we're walking, and we don't know where we're walking to. I'm following him. Because an Uber to get to my house is $50.
You live 2 minutes away.
And I live not even a mile away from the airport. Like, what is the reason? What? Huh? 50. At least it's not cold. You know?
Yeah. At least we didn't like fly back home to Portland and cold as shit.
Yeah. Good old San Diego.
Because would pay $60 instead of walking in that cold.
Yeah. For sure. But you know, we're getting exercise.
Yeah.
And we're spending quality time together.
I love you, babe.
I love you too. People are probably like, damn, y'all don't want to pay $50. No.
No.
You don't.
No.
No. Even if I was a fucking rich bitch in Beverly Hills, I would be like, no. Just kidding. If I was a rich bitch in Beverly Hills, I probably would have had a valet waiting for me or something.
I would have had my personal driver fix it.
Or I would just have parked my car here. We walked like 15 minutes. And now the Uber was like $8 here. And it was $50 at the airport. So, babe.
Yeah.
How was your experience in Portland?
It was cool. I liked it. It was definitely different, but I enjoyed myself. I'm glad we went. I've been wanting to go there for a long time. So shout out to the Rip City. Shout out to the Rose City.
We had fun, but I'm very glad to be home.
Me too. Ain't no place like San Diego.
No, the best place ever.
Well, with the best person ever.
But honestly, I have fun anywhere that I'm with you.
Oh yeah, like I said, I still had a ton of fun, but glad to be back.
Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed us going to Portland. We're gonna travel more, huh, baby? And it's gonna be so fun. I can't wait to travel with you. And I can't wait to edit our boyfriend tag video. Subscribe so you guys can watch that because I'm gonna post it after these.